Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So tomorrow is the day of taking it to the body shop, which I've been sort of waiting for, seems forever. But before we take it tomorrow morning to Barry, we need to make sure that all the plastics, i.e. side skirts, are taken off, lips taken off, door cards just removed for now because he's doing the inside as well, and like the spoiler and just like little things like that. So this is just a video just to show you me taking off all the plastics and bits and bobs before, so it's going to have a very naked EG after this, but I don't know, it just doesn't seem real really that I'm actually getting a respray. I know that seems really silly to people, but like people get their car wrapped and resprayed all the time, but for me it was never like an affordable thing. So the fact that I've got to the point now where I've Kswapped it and now I'm gonna finally sort of get it resprayed doesn't seem real, so that's why I was so happy in the last video, and that's why I'm still smiling right now. But yeah, let's just do a little video to include taking off the bits that I need to take off and then dropping off tomorrow. Enjoy! So I'm cleaning the daily. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is what the EG looks like currently. So like I said, the lip needs to be removed, side skirts, these little bumper plastic trims. When we get there we'll take the wing mirrors off, that's already off, spoilers coming off, door cards on the inside are coming off, all this mess in here I need to sort of tidy it up because I don't want to give it to him dirty. But yeah, it looks such a state right now, but it's gonna look even worse in a second. It is so warm in here, like it is boiling. But yeah, this still looks good. I'm quite impressed with this still. But yeah, time to crack on. Okay, so I just finished charging my camera because it died when I was outside, so back to it.
He's got on straight.
Here?
Yeah, wherever.
Is that straight there?
Kinda.
Yeah?
Yeah. Certified.
Ah, cute. Okay, now I need to take the spoiler off. Easy peasy, it's just 4 along here. This one I've already loosened, so yeah, how fun. Okay, spoilers off. It looks so weird. I've got to now drive to town to the body shop looking like this. Can't wait. And if anyone wants a lacquer peeled carbon fibre spoiler, come get it, because I need to get rid of it. Oh, out with the old, and I've got a new one at home. Okay, that wasn't so hard. There's like a plastic bit here, and there was a screw here, so I've took that one out. The plastic, you just like put the screwdriver in the back and you can, well, flathead, and then you can lift the plastic out, and then the rest is just put on with clips. Okay, I think I've just got these plastic bits round here to take off. I'm not too sure if I've got anything else though. Okay, so I've taken this bit off here. There was a bit here which was a pain in the arse, which I've just had to tuck here as it started to sort of split, and that scared me. And then I've took this off as well, so there's just lined all the edge. I think that's it on this side. I just need to take the side skirts off, but I'm tempted to drive to the body shop with the skirts on, because I don't know, I don't want to look too weird like driving with like a naked car. I'm already going to look weird enough as it is, so don't know, I'll debate it in a sec. Just to show you like what my car looks like at the moment. Hang on. What even is this? It actually looks so funny. Like, it looks bald. Like, it looks so sad. Oh my god, as if I have to drive to the body shop like this. Oh, yay. It just looks so it looks so bad.
Looks like the sheep and now all their fur like shaved off.
Yeah, it does. Oh, my poor baby.
It's going to come back looking 10 times better. That's all good.
I know, it just feels so sad having to strip it.
Probably like, what are you doing to me?
Yeah, look, and look in the inside. Like, all in here, took all the plastics out. Joys. So I've decided to not take the side skirts off for now, and the lip, because we can do that when we're there. Because, yeah, I'm already mega embarrassed to drive it like this. Oh, as Sam described it, it literally looks like because we've got sheep, when the sheep were sheared, they just look naked. Oh, my poor baby. Okay, well, it's definitely time to tidy up though, because I literally have so much shit in my car and I don't particularly want to give it to them with all this in here. So, and also I cannot drive because I've got all this on my seat, so yeah, time to tidy up. Okay, so it is the next day and we're about to go take the naked EG off to the body shop. Well, I've been waiting for forever. How exciting. I can't get with how glittery these wheels are.
No metal in there. That's it's stuff called, I bet they put stuff called fibre in it, which is like
oh, like mesh.
fiberglass meshy stuff. The handles are stand black, they colour coded. Oh yeah. Colour coded. What about the bottom skirt?
We're really excited. You have no idea. I think it's because I've been like waiting for like forever. Yeah. But yeah, I've just been never like able to afford it, and then I like started with the engine bay and then worked round. Whereas most girls start on the outside and go in.
That's gum finish at the other way till that's flat and buff.
That's insane.
Yeah. That was fussy.
Nice footy.
The whole car, mate, it's all got to be fitted up. Look. But all these little tiny bits, you see a little tiny bit here, look.
Oh yeah.
They'll come out. We'll flat and buff all them out.
That's insane.
Good. Good payment. They don't go. You don't use them again, do you?
Oh my God.
He lost his, yeah, look, Jack, look.
That's so oh, my poor car.
What a wank job that is.
Jack will make a bit up to go in there though, we don't need an arch or nothing.
Ah, okay, that's cool.
He'll make his own bit up.
So I think all this is solid.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. He's probably put the arch in here,
Yeah.
and then can't
The
be
most
bothered to go any
pointless bit,
further.
Yeah, that's what it seems to be, because he just sort of went like that and then went, oh, I'll just sort of fill
You
it.
can see where he's sanded too much there.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's silver, isn't it? So you have to be very thorough. It's 500 instead of 800. It's another dent there. Look.
I can't even see it.
Yeah, like that. Where you put your
You got
finger
a
there,
nice
I see it, yeah, straight away.
That's going to be mint on the dump it. Can you buy them stickers anymore?
No.
Oh, we'll get rid of them. Yeah, they're all coming out.
Well, I think I'll send these quite fine now.
That's just normal filler. Look how deep it is.
Wow.
That isn't even fibre, look. Look. Oh. What's the muppet done?
I can't believe it.
Look. Not even filler. Look, Jack's ordinary filler.
Like the metal's come off with it.
Not been touched. The rust all still there, look. You have to get rid of it. That's got to be cut right out.
Oh, my poor baby.
I bet that out there,
Get it.
look.
Oh my god. Look. That's
Where's that fucking wallpaper tape?
I was going to say it looks like filler from like...
But why would you put an arching up here, like that, and then that leave that bit down? the dents down there. There's 2 move work out in the yard. We'll be losing money.
So we have officially just dropped off my car at the body shop. That is a toolbox in the back. I don't even know what to say. Like, I just can't stop smiling. Like, I'm so excited.
It's nice to hear they're gonna do a proper.
Yeah, like he went round and he was circling all the little teeny dents that you couldn't even see, which I thought was amazing. And he talked about the filler that the guy did previously. Oh, there's a car. And to be fair, like, he did like a really good job looking over. We helped them take some bits off, but yeah, and they're really friendly, and they said come back anytime, so we're gonna come back and do some videoing, because I'd love to see the progress of it. But yeah, and we've chosen the colour and it looks so good. I love it. I love it. I just can't stop smiling. Like, it's insane. But yeah, goodbye to the EG for a couple of weeks, and I'll update you from there. But yeah, if you have any guesses on the colour, go for it. I've had a few, none have been correct so far. I've had a few like reds and blues and bits and bobs, but no, not that. But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon, guys. Bye.